Hi everyone. Guess what? I'm gonna do a demonstration of all my colored light bulbs. Right here. First I gotta take them out of the lamp. I'm gonna have to unplug the lamps, lights, whatever the names them. Can I already plug this? A charger? What is that doing here? Oh, maybe some of my devices got lost here. Like, I miss my Samsung Galaxy tablet. I always used to love to film with that. Yellow light bulb. Oh. Green light bulb. I'm gonna take this thing down. So power cord on? Oh well. Plug it, unplug it. Take the pink light bulb out. I'm gonna do these in rainbow order. And Parrot 175, this video's for you. The man who likes lights. Knows that much about lights. Whoa, knows that much about lights. And all you kids out there, this could give you a great video to learn about different colored lights. There's no the colors of the rainbow. Not gonna tell you them. It's a surprise. Not the orange, purple, and red. That's the two light bulbs that I have. Here they are. We're gonna turn the lights off too. Can I see? I'm gonna need the computer's light. Which one is which? I mean which? Whoa, you stupid dangdon. Oh well, I have to put it in my lamp. Oh, I guess we don't have to demonstrate it. Because I know I'll get all the colors wrong in rainbow order. Not plugged in yet. I have to plug it in. This one is going to be orange or red. Look! The red light is flashing. This one is orange. This one is orange. See? Glows like a sodium vapor light. Pretty cool light. Now we're gonna put another color in. Put this right here, since we're done with it. To put it somewhere. Let's put it under my Sparkling Symphony gem. Its batteries are almost low. I colored the orange light red on that thing. That's Roblox right there. I want to make a video of Roblox tomorrow today. Because it's Saturday morning. What the heck was that? Oh well, what the heck. What color is this? Can you guys guess? Come on. Oh, there you go. Guess what color this is, right, guys? What color is this? You can say the color out loud if you want to. What color is this light? Red. That's right. This looks like a... Oh, that's right in my eyes. Jeez. It's too red. I can even burn my eyes for that. I can look everything teal. But this under Sparkling Symphony Gem, that's orange and red right there. This one is, guess, it's the color of grapes, color of eggplants, color of, don't say it yet. It's the color of plums. Oh, what the heck, go for it. What color is this? That's right, it's purple. Looks real like a plant and aquarium light, or yeah, grow light. That'll be it for the purple. See, this is weird. Watch what happens when you turn it off. It glows a little dimly and then it goes completely out. The light bulb does. It's morning time, dudes. This color is... It's dirty. This must be the color of blueberries. The color of blueberries, jeans. The water when you... It's not the water. It's clear, though. But in cartoons, the water... Oh, what the heck. It's the color of Cookie Monster from Sesame Street, Tutter from Brand the Big Blue House, Trudy from Yo Gabba Gabba. What color is it? That's right. It's blue. It's too blue. Let's turn this off. Four done. We have 3 more to go. This one is the color of grapefruit that's inside of the grapefruit. The grapefruit. The color of, I don't know, watermelon? That's red. The inside of watermelon is red. The color of, the color of, the color of Fufa from, the color of Fufa from Yo Gabba Gabba. The color of, this, you must, all of them must know this color. You must know this one. What color is it? That's right, it's pink. Not that bad. It's not that bad of a pink color. It's expecting a reddish pink or a deep pink. There's the pink light bulb. Put it here. Since we're done with it. Now we have 2 more light bulbs. I don't want to put my finger in. I hope I don't put my finger in the socket or else I'm gonna get a shock. This this one, whoa, this one is don't say green. Do not say green. It doesn't even look green. But it's the color of Plex from Yo Gabba Gabba the Robot, Big Bird from Sesame Street Bird, bananas from the peels. You guys must know this color. Don't say I'm talking to... Oh well, who the heck cares? This color is the color of that light from the Sparkling Symphony Gem between the green and the red. The color in that color is the color of street lights when they're glowing. That's orange. That's an orangish, you know what-ish. Do you know what color this is? What color is it? That's right. Yellow. It's not that yellow, and it's not that green. It's a yellowish it's a chartreuse color. Set the light down. You know, Parent 175, you should have said, when you film the yellow light bulb, the yellow filament bulb, it's not just a yellowish green. It's a color called chartreuse. So let's turn this off. One last color, and then I'm gonna end the video. Or else that we'll do something else instead of ending the video. Now we're gonna screw it into our fixture. Oh, you know, after this I have another one to show you. This one is not teal. It's the color of Broby from Yo Gabba Gabba. It's the color of Oscar, Kermit, Trilo from Bear in the Big Blue House. The light between the yellow and the blue on the Sparkling Symphony Gem. Sorry about the sounds. It's the color of peas and snappies too. And it's one of Adam's favorite colors. That's right. You know what color it is? No, wait, hold. It's also the color of a mercury vapor light when it's at full brightness. They're sometimes green, but the clear ones glow sometimes green. They sometimes glow green. Oh my, what the heck did I do? Sorry, guys. Didn't mean it. Well then, never mind. You don't have to yell out the answer this time, since you didn't do the orange. Orange was the first one, and green is the last colored light bulb. So, I shouldn't have said that, but screw it. Too green, not lime green. Green. Let's turn this light off. Turn the computer light back on. So, let's get a couple of lights. Where's the Wait. No. Where the heck is my fluorescent ocean glow? Not now. Where the heck? Oh. Another surprise for you dudes and day-dudes. That's right, it's preheat fluorescent light. Set the camera down for a second. You know what? To make this more easy, let's put the basin first. You can't see me when I'm doing this on camera. But you must know what this is. And what color it glows. Ow! What color it glows. That's right, it's white. Awesomeness. I'm gonna put all of my colored light bulbs where they can be safe. So were they good? I'll just have to put them on the table. This table. This lamp lost its pull chain. Let's turn this off. There we go. Seven colored LED light bulbs and one preheat white fluorescent light. I'm sure that won't cover the microphone. Will cover the microphone. But so, wasn't that a good demonstration, dudes and dudes? We're gonna put my light on the floor. Screw-inable light. Or desk light thing, whatever. So, for the last seconds of this video, I don't know what I want to say. There's all of my Baby Einstein toys right there. And some Fisher Price and some VTech, VTech Shellcore, you'll like that. Some Baby Einstein toys were modernized by... Let's zoom in. What toys can you see on the bottom shelf? What toys do you see on this shelf? What toys do you see on that shelf? This shelf. I mean that shelf. I took the rods and the stars of the Starbeats toy. What toys do you see on the top shelf besides the doorbell or whatever that thing is? I don't know. That's all the toys I have right there. You know what? I'm getting kind of bored. So, it's morning, I don't know what to do. You know what? Sometimes at night you can even look at the stars, just like Bear and Ursa did at the end of And To All Look at Night. Best episode ever. Forgot to zoom out. Again, Sparkling Symphony Jam. There's no yellow and blue legs, so I replaced this with. I replaced this with the legs. Those legs came off of the Baby Einstein Lights and Melody Discovery Center, and somebody said kids too. I don't know what they did, and we may lose Baby Einstein, but who the heck cares? I like Baby Einstein. And I'm gonna keep all my Baby Einstein toys. Whether he who made the video of Bad News for Baby Einstein, whether he likes it or not. I can still hear Baby Einstein music, and I can still make Baby Einstein remade music. And my last video, I did training montage again, but it's not the regular one. It's the one from Family Guy, something Dark Side. If you don't have to watch the whole show. The whole Family Guy, something Dark Side. You don't have to. And again, you know what? Never mind. I'm going to show you something in the bathroom. Look at this. I'm making this into a washing machine. There's this little piece here. Watch. See that? It's like a little agitator. Make it into a whirlpool. I really don't want to drop this in the water. There it goes. Ow! Bumped into the toilet. So, let's go upstairs. have to unplug this light somewhere. If you don't unplug it, you can get electrocuted, or you can just leave it unplugged, or whatever, what the heck. I'm gonna plug it from over here. There we go. Ow! My foot.
Bedtime, D-Man?
No. Hold on. Guess what, dudes? It's raining. You don't mind if I have the light on in the laundry room, because I'm gonna go in there and look at a few things. I feel that way too. There's a dryer. And we all know this, dudes. It's a Whirlpool washer. This washing machine was acting up last week. Maybe it'll work right this week. That's right. We're in the laundry room with a messed up washing machine. There's the agitator. And there's the inside of the washer drum. I'm gonna put my iPad right in here so you can see what it's like. I'm not gonna turn it on or anything, so close the door. I'm gonna look in the dryer. They're completely empty. There's the dryer drum. There's the inside of the dryer. And there's the button for the door. Just in case somebody... There's lint right there. If you turn the light, if you hold down this button, the dryer, when you turn the dryer on, you can see it spinning. There's the dryer vent. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the middle of the hexagon. What the dryer drum looks like. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's put my camera in the dryer drum. You know, I'm not gonna do that. But I just wanted to show you. Close the door. Ugh. Ugh. They have cat treats on here. This dryer's not been doingly cleaned. Oh, what the heck?
What? Just me.
It scared me there. It scared the crap out of me. So, there's blue and green baskets, and the cyan one, or daylight blue. Sorry about me itching my throat. throat is really itchy. There's the circuit bend. There's the... Let's look in here. There's the circuits and stuff. And it doesn't latch. Or, yeah, it doesn't latch. This is an unfinished basement, and the circuit cabinets are usually in the unfinished parts of the basement. You know what? What the heck? I'm gonna pop this balloon. Have fun. I'm gonna pop the yellow balloon, okay? Oh, well, you know what? He's in the bathroom. It won't matter if I pop this thing. Yeah! Popped it with a screwdriver. You know, you see? The cement is getting wet. I said cement at first. The cement is getting wet because it's raining. It's pouring. And nobody's snoring. So, this has been a long video. It's gonna take very long to upload on my iPad. So, I'm gonna not know what to do, but let's go in here. Look at this in here. You know what these two toys are? That's right, not one, but two. Baby Einstein's Seedream Soothers. On, off, off. This is the new version of the Baby Einstein Seedream Soother. Old version. They play different songs. And you know what this is, right? That's right. Neighborhood Friends activity jumper piano that Katie gave me. Just that my mom's friend, Jessica's friend. Musical motion activity jumper piano, old version. Completely. They even have a Celesta and the music box too. Just like at the soothing seascapes. This one has a green button, and that one has a blue button. And this soother too. Ugh, look under here. Whoa. Where's any balls? Okay. So, here, VTech Little Smart Magic. What? Ow! VTech Little Smart Magic like spaceship. Good God. So, that does it. Ow! That does it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'm sorry it was pretty long, but you're okay with that. So, if there's stuff you want me to do in a video, or do you want me to live stream, let me know. But thank you guys so much. This should have been live stream. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, click that like button, like it Dane doing, and high fives all around. Psh, psh. Thank you guys, and I'll see all you Dane Dunes in the next video, which might be a live stream one of these days. I'm gonna try out the live stream thing on YouTube, because I can't wait to live stream yet. So, up to the window and look out at the morning. Stupid crickets! They're still outside. It's not nighttime anymore. That told you. I mean, yeah, what me and Adam said at the time. You know, my iPad's gonna go down like an elevator. Watch. Here we are at the bottom. Now we're gonna go up again. So, there's the toy bin right there. Oh, answer time is here, so I'm gonna stop.